I have this new gorgeous and expensive makeup palette by Dior to test. Let's see if it's good. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Valentina. I'm a makeup lover and like to test makeup products. In today's video, I'm going to test something new by Dior, and I have this palette. I'm going to test it for the first time today. I'll do swatches, and I'm going to create this makeup look with this palette. So if you like what you see and want to find out more, then keep on watching. I bought something from the holiday collection and I'm going to test it in today's video. I bought this with my own money and I'll give you my honest opinion. I have to say that buying something from the Dior website, it's a very nice experience. Not only that, you can get free samples with your order or full-size products as a gift, but your products come in something like this gorgeous box. So let me show you what I got. This box is gorgeous. I'll definitely keep it. With my order, I received this. Let's see what's inside. I like to keep my lipsticks in something like this in my purse, so I'm very excited to have something like this. I also have two perfume samples, and I also received this Dior Addict Lip Maximizer. Look at how tiny and cute is this. I'm so excited to have it. Also, the applicator is very tiny and cute. Let's try it. And what I actually bought from Dior is this makeup palette. This is Christian Dior Palette Couture. This is how the packaging looks. Look at how gorgeous is this. I wonder if I can use it as a purse. I don't know if we can use it as a purse, but I would definitely wear it as a purse because it's so gorgeous. What do you guys think? Let me know down below. So, gorgeous packaging. I love all these details. The palette comes with a big mirror, and inside we have something for lips, two blushes, eyeshadow, and two highlighters, and these two little guys. I know who uses something like this. I'll try to use this today, but I have a feeling that I will not reach for something like this so much. So this is a new limited edition Dior Couture Palette. And this is the color story. We get two blushes, five eyeshadow colors, two highlighters, and four lipsticks with a satin finish. First, I'm going to swatch everything on the back of my hand, and then I'll test everything on my eyes, face, and the lips. I'm going to start first with these two highlighters. Now the two blushes. And now these eyeshadows. Now the lipsticks. These are all the colors swatched. Here we have the two highlighters, the two blushes, and these are the eyeshadow colors. And on the other side we have the lipsticks. This was a nice swatch. The powders are very creamy and pigmented, and the lipsticks look very pretty. A little bit sheer, but I definitely have to see how everything will look on my lips, on my skin, and on my eyes. So let's try this palette. I already have my makeup base on, my foundation, concealer, and my powder, but I'll list what I used down in the description box below. First, I'm going to start with this blush. Very pretty color. On this side, I'm going to use this blush. I think this is the shade 100 and this is 687. And for the highlighter, we have 02 and 07. And this is how these blushes look on my skin. These are very pretty and soft. I'm going to use this on this side. Let's mix these two, why not? Very pretty. Now the highlighters. I have a feeling that this might be too dark for my fair skin, but let's try it. I love the Dior highlighter formula, and the formula of this highlighter is also very good. It has that wet skin type of a finish that I like, but this color is a little bit too dark for my fair skin. So let's try the other one on this side. Oh my god, this is gorgeous. The highlighter from this side has a gold shift, and the one from this side has a pink shift. The highlighter on this side is just gorgeous. I'll try to apply it on this side too. This highlighter is definitely too dark for my fair skin, but I feel like I can use it on my eyes. I feel like with this palette you have to be a little bit careful to not get the powders on the lipsticks. Now I'll move on to my eyes and I'm going to start with this color all over my eyelids. Some on my lower lash line. This color is gorgeous, I love it. Now I'm going to take a smaller brush and I'm going to apply this color on the outer corners. Next I'm going to use this. Just a side note, this is a very heavy palette. Now this on my inner corners. I also want to use this color just in here. I'm going to apply a little bit of this, like in here. Now I'm going to use again this color. I think that's everything I can do with these colors. So this is the finished eye makeup result. Next I'm going to apply my mascara, and for today I'm going to use this one by Flower Nose. I love this mascara, I love the formula, I love the finish. This is waterproof and long lasting. It's my new favorite mascara right now. Mascara is on. My lashes look incredible with this mascara. I love it. And now let's try these lipsticks. I have this in the color 100, 663, 473, and 738. I have to mention that I love what I have on my lips right now. This Dior Addict Lip Maximizer is very comfortable on the lips. It's not sticky, and my lips look very pretty with this on. But let's take it off to test the lipsticks. First, I'm going to start with this one. I believe this is 738. This is comfortable, it's not sticky, and the color is gorgeous. You can definitely apply this with your fingers, and you can layer it as much as you like to get the finish that you want. Now, let's try this one. Very pretty color, but I don't know if I will reach for this one so much. This is too pink for my taste. Now, let's try the other one. I believe this is 663. Very pretty color. So this is how this lipstick look on my lips. These lipsticks are very hydrating and very comfortable on the lips. Now let's try this next, and I think I'll keep it on my lips. I want to try to use this that came with the palette to apply the lipstick. I feel like it will take forever to apply it with this, so I'm going to use my fingers. This is in the shade 100. Gorgeous color, I love it. I think this will be very pretty for everyday makeup. And I think that's everything. I've used all of these colors. So this is the finished makeup result. Now, fine impressions for my new palette. What I like the most from this palette is this highlighter. This is gorgeous. I cannot wait to use it again. I love these eyeshadows. I feel like I will reach for these colors a lot. I love the two blushes. I'm excited to use these more. And these lipsticks are very good. I think this is a gorgeous palette to buy it as a gift to someone. We pretty much have everything we need in this palette. The formula is very good quality, and the packaging is just gorgeous. I believe the highlighters, the blushes, and the lipsticks are not new, but this palette is. For now, I like this palette. I'm excited to use it again, so I'll use it more, and I'll update you about everything in my next video. But guys, let me know, have you tried this palette? Let me know if you like it, and let me know what other makeup products would you like me to test next. But that's everything for today. I hope this video was helpful, and I hope you like it. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also ring the bell to be notified when I upload. I post every week, so make sure to hit the notification bell. I hope you'll have a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!